Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody's trying to clean up this sewing machine, and when they delete some lines, they get these mystery lines, and it's not a very good file anyway. So, she was smart enough to include the clip art. There's a little bit of watermark in there, and I've already done it. It came out perfect, and for the one I'm doing it for, I reduced it to. This thing is, your original file was like over almost 7 inches. I made it half the size. I think that Corel has a better job, or does a better job. So go to bitmap when it's smaller, resample, and you can see it's already above 300 because I made it smaller. And then just go to trace bitmap, outline trace, clip art. It's going to take just a second. And there it is. Now we'll bring in the yellow box over here and we'll grab, normally your trace will be on top. So you can see all the white background. But the lines are gone because we didn't do anything. So what we're going to do now is click on the item, go to edit, find and replace, properties, find objects, edit query, uniform field, double click on it on the text part, check that box, go over here, get your eyedropper tool, and it's really not a white, it's a light gray, but it's 254. Okay, find all, and then just hit delete. And now all your white is gone. Now there's a few grays in there, but if we take it, go up to object, group, and ungroup, you can probably be better to zoom in and get rid of some of these grays and what it is. So anything that's yellow is transparent. There's a couple things you could clean up, but it's not that big a deal. Let's zoom in over here and just click on those grays and delete them. Wow. I think there's a couple more, like there's one in the handle. Now there is part of this that is a gray. If you delete it, you mess it up. So we're going to see what the color is. It's really, I think if she's going to engrave it, we need to select it all and click on RGB black. Let's see if it didn't fix that handle. So now that part of the handle is all black. I would maybe clean this up a little bit, and that would be relatively easy. Maybe take the smooth tool if you have X7 or above, set it on like 1/4 of an inch. Whoop, I hit it. And so it needs to be less than that, 0.1. And just select your item and just kind of smooth them up a little bit. And then you're going to mess this up a little bit, but that can be easily fixed. We're going to take the shape tool now, and we can just move this here, move that node to there. Just move these nodes around so that black goes all the way through it. Now notice down here, this one of these lines is not connected, and that wouldn't really hurt. But what you could do is select it and left click, right click, select that one, left click, right click, and just take these nodes and move them further in. You could double click and get the other side, and then take your virtual segment delete key and delete that inner line. Now we've got a little bit of a problem with a leakage, 2 nodes that aren't connected. So let's go to Dockers, go to Windows, Dockers, join curves. Hold down the Shift key and select the other side. Select them both and hit apply. Hit apply. Now you're almost done. You could smooth those lines up again. It just depends on how big it's going to be. But then while you've got it clicked, just left click. We've got a hairline, so you need to think about that. if you're going to cut anything. But now we've changed it to RGB black. You could put no line. It's going to make it a little bit thinner. You could actually, if you want it a little thicker, but I think the way it is, and then I would group it together, Control G, and then you could make it back to the original size. And that should engrave great. I'm going to, for the person I'm doing it for, I'm actually going to send you this file in case you have any problems. But if you look in order and back a page, all the white's gone. It should engrave perfectly. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.